For the repair of the Korval temperature controllers E&P-01, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add a variable 4 to 20 mA input to simulate the temperature signal. When the simulated variable is far below the set point, the controller outputs just 4 mA. When the simulated variable far exceeds the set point, the controller outputs the full 20 mA. The same process is repeated for the second controller. For the testing of the pneumatic temperature controllers, we add some pressurized air as power supply and some variable pressurized air as input. When the process variable far exceeds the set point, the pneumatic signal shifts towards 0 bar. When the process variable is far below the set point, the pneumatic signal shifts towards 2 bar. The same process is repeated for the second pneumatic controller. It is now clear that all 4 temperature controllers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.